How's it going, everybody? And welcome back to the Shannon's Garage Australia YouTube channel. Alrighty, so on today's episode, I am back in the workshop. Thank God for that. Now, for those that follow me on Instagram, you will know why I haven't been filming for the last 2 weeks. For those of you that don't follow me on Instagram, I have actually been renovating my in-laws' wet areas, so bathroom, laundry, toilets, and it's kept me busy for the last couple of weeks, so I haven't had a chance to get up here in the workshop. But today I am back. Yes, Shannon's Garage Australia is back on YouTube for today. But in today's episode, I am getting another car. Yes, that is right. I have purchased another vehicle. This time, it's a V8, but it is still an E39. So I've picked up at auction a really nice 2002 model 535i in Orient Blue. So it's quite a deep dark blue. It is about 15 minutes away from being delivered to my house. So I'll give you a quick guided tour of the vehicle, show you what it's all about, and let you know what the plan is. Let's just say it's going to involve something to do with the AC Schnitzer in the background. But, oh, sounds like a truck's here now. Let's head on down the front and see if it's my car. All right, turns out it is my car. There she's on the back of the trailer. I'll flip the camera in. You can have a quick look while she's on the truck. There she is, my new toy. Now, this is bought sight unseen, so I haven't had a look at it yet, but let's go and check it out, and fingers crossed it ain't too bad, eh? Awesome. Well, here she is, my 2000 model E39 535i BMW. Now, it's got 260,000 Ks on the clock, which, you know, for a 2000 model car, especially a BMW, that's not too bad. It's got Style 66 wheels on it, which is really cool. I'm not going to keep them on there, so they will be up for sale, but very popular with the 3 Series boys, so E36s and E46s. The offset just looks mint on one of those cars, so don't know if I'm going to keep them, sell them, maybe put them on one of the E36s that I've got laying around, or even one of the E46s that I've got laying around. But I'll let you know later on down the track. Let me turn the camera around and we'll give you guys a good look at this thing. Now, I haven't washed it, I haven't cleaned the interior. This is exactly the way that it came from the auctions. It's going to need a bit of love. It's going to need a bit of love. Let's just leave it at that. All right, so let me turn the camera in and give you a view. G'day, well, there she is. Orient Blue, 2000 model E39 535i. Now, I just noticed it's got a bloody oil leak, which sucks. I'm hoping it's just a rocker cover. Hoping it's not the rear main seal, which is what it looks like it could be, which is going to suck. I was hoping to get this thing on the road pretty quickly, but shouldn't be too difficult. The reason why I bought this car is the paintwork on it is actually really good. Besides a couple of little scratches and a couple of little dents here and there, the paintwork is immaculate. Now, here in Queensland, metallic painted cars don't last very long. The clear coat completely rots out and you get what you see here. All right, but with this one, even though it's a really dark blue, the paintwork on it is really good. Now, in the places where you'd expect it to be gone, like the roof, for instance, or the rear boot lid, clear coat's still there. So whoever had the car has really looked after the body on this thing, and it's nice and straight. The paint's immaculate. Interior needs a hell of a clean, as you just saw. But other than that, it should be a pretty quick project, hopefully. I'm hoping to flip this thing pretty quickly. Now, as I said to you guys a minute ago, the idea with this car, I'm going to turn it into an AC Schnitzer. Let's just throw that straight out there. Now, one of the things that I found out recently about the AC Schnitzer S5 that I have here is it's actually not a factory delivered AC Schnitzer. It is a dealer delivered AC Schnitzer, which means that it was built here for a customer in Australia, not from the AC Schnitzer factory in Germany. Now, because of that, it's not going to be worth as much. So my plan is to rip the entire body kit, wheels, everything that makes that 528i an AC Schnitzer, take it all off this and put it all on this. So side skirts, rear skirt, front spoiler, boot lid wing, the roof spoiler, the AC Schnitzer exhaust tips, the AC Schnitzer accelerator pedal and brake pedal. Anything on this car that makes it a Schnitzer, I'm going to rip off and put it on this one and have myself a dealer delivered AC Schnitzer S5 535i. That's the plan. Okay, now I haven't started taking bits and pieces off the AC yet, but I will definitely start doing that in the coming days. The wheels, side skirts and all that will come off first. Then I'm going to attempt to take off that rear spoiler without damaging the damn thing, and the roof spoiler as well. So that's the plan for this little thing. It will be, by the end of it, a 2000 model E39 AC Schnitzer S5 535i. So yeah, fingers crossed, hopefully it all goes to plan. Right now I'm gonna give this thing a bath because it is absolutely filthy. I just don't understand how people can let their cars get so dirty. Even these things, they're clean. I'm out here every couple of days washing them just to keep to keep them looking decent. That was somebody's daily drive and it is filthy. I just don't get it. But anyway, time to go through the car and give it a wash, and hopefully it turns out quite nice. Well, she's all washed. She's actually come up a hell of a lot nicer than what she looked like before. Like I said before, there is a couple little scratches in the paintwork, but other than that, she's actually pretty decent. A quick buff and a polish, and this thing should actually come up looking really, really schmick. The color is just phenomenal. In some lights at the moment, it looks like a really bright blue, but then as the sun starts to creep around, it starts to get a bit darker. So yeah, hell of a color. I'll see if I can actually pick the color up on the camera. I don't know if it's actually doing it any justice or not, but it looks really, really dark at the moment. Wheels came up a bit of a treat. So yeah, I'll see if we can pick up this color and I'll have another chat to you. Look at that, it's like glass. Look how deep that metallic goes. This is one hell of a color, guys. Absolutely beautiful, look at that. Wow. All right, well, that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Just a nice short little one. Getting back into the workshop again for the first time in a few weeks, so I'm pretty stoked to be up here. Make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you want to see me turn this into an AC Schnitzer S5 using genuine AC Schnitzer parts. No aftermarket gear, it's all going to be genuine AC Schnitzer stuff. Now, just a little update. Now, a few of you guys that follow me on Instagram will know this already because I've already had a chat to you about it, but I am planning on having a BMW car meet day here on my property in Queensland. Now, for all you Queenslanders that are cruising around in BMWs and follow my channel, this is an invitation to you guys. Now, follow me on Instagram and you'll get updates on the dates, but it should be a pretty cool day. I've got a professional photographer and models coming. So if you want to have your car photo shoot, you know, with a couple of hot chicks hanging off it, by all means, it'll be there and it's going to be an awesome day. I'm going to put on a barbecue or pizza. We're all going to meet up, talk crap about our cars. I'll have some drones flying around and, you know, like I said, the models and a professional photographer here for photo shoots and whatnot. It's going to be a hell of a day. Once we're finished with our lunch and we're all talking and stuff, we're going to go for a quick cruise down to the Spit on the Gold Coast and, you know, hang about down there. Maybe take the photographer along with us down there and get some photo shoots on the water. But it should be a hell of a day. So follow me on Instagram for the updates and everything for that. If you want to go, if you want to come to the meet, just hit me up. You know, we'll sort something out. If you want your car photo shot with a model, let me know in advance so that way I can organise, you know, the model and all the rest of it, and we can work out payment, some sort of terms and whatever. But you know, we'll figure that out when it gets closer to it. Now, on some bad news, the E36 giveaway car. As you all know, it's been at my mate's workshop for the last few weeks getting painted and getting all sorted out. Now, for you Queenslanders, you'll know this. There was a ripper of a storm that rolled through here the other night. I literally just got off the phone to him and he's basically turned around and told me that the car is shot. It was parked outside, half undercover, half not, and the entire passenger side of the car has been absolutely blitzed with hail. Now, he's trying to go through his insurance to see what they can do about it and whatnot. But at this stage, I don't have a car to give away on December 24th. I'm going to put it to you guys. Let me know what you'd like me to do. Do you still want me to run the draw, give the car away December 24th to one of your lucky subscribers, but have it repaired first? You know, that could take a little while depending on how bad the hail damage is. I haven't seen it yet, so I don't know just how bad it is. Or should I try and find another car to give away live on the channel? Or should I just select one of the cars that I already have here and give that away to you guys on the channel? So I'm going to leave it in your hands. Let me know what you guys want me to do. I do have another E36 sedan coming from a subscriber, Kyle. You're an absolute legend, mate. I hope you're watching this video. It's a 318i, not an M Sport, but it is a manual car. It's not an automatic. It needs a respray, but the bones of the car looks to be pretty decent. So maybe that's something I could give away. But like I said, I will leave it to you guys. Let me know what you want me to do. And, you know, it's a crappy situation to be in. It really, really is. That car was coming up schmick too. I saw photos of it last week. It just looked amazing. But what can you do with Mother Nature, eh? Unfortunately, sometimes she can be a bit of a bitch. But anyway, on that note, guys, you just know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And if you haven't already, go check me out on Instagram at Shannon's Garage Australia. But for now, stay cool.